Hello and welcome to the Crawley Community Awards 2020. Now it has been a very different year this year. As you can see, we're filming in a different space at the Horth. It's empty, it's just us, but that does not change the fact that we do have winners and that your name could be in one of these envelopes. So without further ado, let's get started. The next Crawley Community Award is for education, and the winner is Katie Jordan. Katie Jordan is a member of staff at Oriel High School. She was nominated by colleague Sarah McWilliam, who said, "Katie has lived and breathed Crawley all of her life and is proud to be a Crawley resident. She's committed to developing community links for young people to connect with older generation and is passionate about encouraging young people to volunteer. Students think the world of Katie and naturally gravitate towards her, and her natural nurturing personality brings out the best in everyone. We are so lucky to have her at Oriel, and I feel privileged to be on her team." Katie Jordan, congratulations.